I am sometimes asked about the word Masea, except that when they spell it like this. And I answer, no, there is no Chamorro word spelled M-A-S-A-Y-A. That cannot be Masea for two reasons. The most obvious is the Y, which in Chamorro is always a Z, as in Zigu and Zotnya. So this would be pronounced in Chamorro Masadza or Masadza, depending on the way the A is pronounced, because there are only two A's in Chamorro, the A sound and the A sound, with a low nut or circle above the A, which makes it an A. So depending on that, this would be pronounced Masadza or Masadza, not Masea. The only E that we have in Chamorro is that which is pronounced E. So the correct spelling for Masea is as above, which is sometimes spelled with an H, because that's the way some Chamorros pronounce it, Masea. The older dictionaries will spell it this way, the newer dictionaries will spell it that way. So where are people getting this idea to spell Masea this way? I believe it's from American influence, because they hear the sound se, as in sea, and they figure out, well, ma, say, as in say it to me, ma say, ah. But they don't keep in mind these problems we would have in Chamorro if that were indeed the spelling. Before you know it, some Chamorros are going to be spelling the Chamorro word for knife, se, as say, because that's how they're going to pronounce it, and that's how they're going to spell it. Their American is showing.